Yeah, that's right. The crow is making that sound. Yeah. Yeah, it's the one if you can't tell on this camera, but yeah, he's got a bit of a white feather. I call him Speck. Now, I've seen him before once. And at first I thought the dude was flirting or something like that. And I'm whispering so you can hear his call. I don't want to hear you. I want to hear him doing his special sound. Or a rare one, I don't know. I'm pretty sure he can do it as well. I can do it as well. Oh, great, now everyone wants to have a say something. Where is it? It's, it's, see? Everyone's showing up. That's enough for now. Next time I'll be a bit more quiet. And I hope you are as well. You don't want to. I know the neighbors are over here and think I'm crazy.